Let's look at this question now. Jar PQ and R of capacity 500 gram are completely filled with Rangoli colors. Each jar has a code number on it of the type ABCD, where AB and CD are two-digit numbers, where AB shows the percentage of color in the jar, while CD shows the percentage of base material used in the color. Codes of jar PQR are 1090, 2080, 3070. So you can assume it as this. Yes, you can. Wait a minute. Yes. So you can assume it as the concentration of these jars, right? The concentration of jar is 10%, jar Q is 20%, and jar 3 is 30%, right? So 100 grams of Rangoli mix from each jar is taken out and put in another empty jar and mixed well. Now 100 grams from this mixture is again transferred to each jar and mixed with the Rangoli originally present in that jar. Then the code on jars was changed if required. How many codes were changed? Okay. So first of all, I need to find if when I took 100 grams from each of these jars, what is the final concentration, right? So 100 grams of P, 100 grams of Q, and 100 grams of R. Correct. And what is the concentration? I'm taking it as 10%, 20%, and 30%, right? So if I am adding them in equal quantity, that is 1:1:1, what would be the final concentration? Final concentration of color would be 10% plus 20% plus 30%. It would be simple arithmetic mean upon 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1. It would be 50, 60. 60 by 3 is 20%. So the final concentration of color I'm getting is 20%. Now 100 gram of this mixture is again transferred to each jar, right? So what is P left? P 400 grams is left and the concentration is 10%. Q left was 400 grams and the concentration was 20%. And you have 400 grams of 30% R, correct? Now, if you add the 20%, 100 gram, 20% concentrated 100 grams of this color in each of these jars, the concentration of first one will increase, right? And concentration of third one will decrease, but the concentration of this jar Q would remain same because you are adding the same concentrated color solution to this jar, right? So how many we just need to we don't have to find the what is the final concentration. This question is just asking me that the how many codes were changed. So I know this code will definitely change and this code will definitely change because this concentration would rise and this concentration would decrease, correct? So the correct answer to this question would be 2. In fact, you could have answered this question orally, that when you add the equal quantities of 10%, 20%, and 30% solution, you would get 20%. And when you add 20% to 10, 20, 30, 20 remains same, but 10 and 30 would get changed, right? So how many codes were changed? 2 codes were changed. Correct answer is option 2. So this question looks very difficult. By the way it is written, right? It's almost like a passage, right? It's almost like a paragraph, but question is itself very, very easy.